guys, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Chef Jude and I am your chef for today. So by the way guys, I'm gonna make a tutorial with our Italian vanilla macarons because we do that in the school, but well, some of my students didn't really get it well, but you know, practice is very important, so we need them to practice more. So what I did, I'm making this video because I'm gonna send it to them, the link, so that they could practice also in their house. So Italian vanilla macarons or Italian macarons is kind of tricky to make because you know, because if you are wrong with the temperature or whatever, you know, especially when you're making a meringue, something that infolded to your butter mixture with your almond mixture, sometimes you failed. And this is very important. On my tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to make it in a proper way, and then I'm gonna teach you why this gonna happen or this thing happened because of you didn't follow the right instruction. But anyway, on my recipe, I will upload it on my video description. You know, in the YouTube description, there in the description box, you can see the recipe as well, and also inside the video you can see there the recipe as well. So just follow all the instruction that I've made or that I'm doing on my video tutorial, and you will not be able to fail your macarons. But anyway, without much further ado, let's start the video. Hello chefs and bakers, thank you so much for supporting me. I know I have already like more than thousands of subscriber, but anyway, if this is your first time also to watch my video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button and also click the bell button so that you will be notified if I have a new video or video tutorial that coming, you know. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for your support guys. Maraming salamat. So the following recipe for our vanilla Italian macarons, we need 200 grams of almond flour, 200 grams of powdered sugar, 75 grams of egg whites, and then with these three ingredients, we need to combine all of this, which include our almond flour, powdered sugar, and 75 grams of egg whites. So at this time, we need to make a paste so that we will gonna fold it to our Italian meringue afterward. But make sure you have to cover it to avoid, you know, drying our almond mixture. At this point, we need to make a soft
peak meringue before we pour our melted sugar. So we keep on mixing it until we reach the right consistency, which is we need the soft peak. And for our sugar ingredients, we need the following. We need 200 grams of granulated sugar and 50 grams of water. Then we keep on mixing it and let it boil until we reach the 118 degrees centigrade. And then that's the time the sugar is ready to pour in our soft peak egg whites. So when folding our almond mixture along with the meringue, make sure you portion it like at least 3 times so that you will incorporate your meringue properly to our almond mixture. So this is now the right texture of our macaron butter. Then it's time for us to pipe it. So I'm touching it because I want to know if it's still sticking on my finger, which means the macaron is not yet ready, but it's already ready. So it's time for us to bake it. And look at this, guys, how pretty and beautiful this macarons inside my oven. It looks awesome. And that's all for today's video tutorial, guys. I hope you like my Italian macarons. If this is your first time to watch my video, then please don't forget to share, likes, and leave your comments to my video. And see you soon again to my next video tutorial. Bye bye, this is Chef Jude.